I've made it to my next stop, which is Dover Antique Mall. I actually haven't been here since the summer. I'm still a little gassed up from that epic trip in Gettysburg. God, I'm mixed up. I am ready to get inside. I'm ready to shop. I'm ready to find some goodies. I'm gonna start off in my favorite booth here. It got so much cute stuff. I buy a lot of stuff from this vendor at Lemoyne. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I think they have a sale going. Let me see. Booth 22, 20% off. So that becomes like $7. That's pretty adorable. I might pick this up actually. Let's see. What else do we have here? Interesting. I like this Santa tin. It's an older one too. Ooh, vintage wrapping paper. And doll head. I used to buy these like crazy. This one's only $12.50. Kind of doll headed out at the moment. It would have to be a little bit less for me to grab that. Oh my gosh, I love the Santa TV tray. That's so cute. And then, what about that? Interesting. It's like a Holt Howard remake, but it's still older. Love the little Christmas house. I don't really buy those. They're just so easily damaged. Little fuzzy Santa Claus container, $12.50. It's a little too close for me. This owl is sure fun. It's ceramic. Is it ceramic? Yeah, 24, can't do that. I love the Mickey and Donald Duck stockings. Those are adorable too. Let's see, I'm gonna carefully maneuver around this corner here. Oh, look at this snowman. That is so cute. It's on a tin can. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend on that. I love that doll up there. I really like this stocking. I'm tempted to pick it up, but oh, it's $15, so $12. That's about retail, especially because it's got this material that I bought the other day when I was in Pittsburgh that's so easily broken. I'm nervous about that. Love this glitter frame. Oh, monkey. These are usually expensive. Yeah, $36. I can't really do anything with that. It's been so long since I've been here, I can't even remember the route I usually take. Like this little choir boy and the funny little elf figurine. $5. Let me see if there's a discount in this booth. Not that that's not well priced. Oh my gosh, look at this angel. You know, I will say though, I bought one of these last year and I still have it. This tree skirt is amazing, by the way. Let's see, what else do we have? Ooh, these little glittery elves are my favorite. These Japan ornaments, $8. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and pick him up too. I'm gonna go back to that booth. I'm gonna backtrack a little bit. Look at these unicorn salt and pepper shakers. They're definitely like new, like 90s. Still fun though. I'm kind of into these tiki salt and peppers too. I love the aluminum, mid-century fantasticness. Let's see. I feel like it has been a while since I found something in this booth. I love the little California apron. That is super sweet. Oh, look at this guy. This looks like Joseph Originals. $12.77 and 20%. That's a pass for me. A little toilet ashtray. That's kind of fun. I used to sell those like crazy. If it was a different color, I would. The one time I had pink. That was awesome. Whoa. What's happening here? Christ. I've seen these before. I think I looked them up and I was surprised that they sold for less than I remember. I'm gonna go ahead and look them up anyway. well, I don't have service. I'm waiting to regain service there. This booth, oh, it says such fun toys. They are definitely more geared towards collectors prices, but I'm not mad at it because they're fantastic. Oh, I have that Pinocchio in stock right now. I can't believe it hasn't sold. It's been a really long time. I'm probably never gonna pick one of those up ever again. I've even like put it on 40% off. I love this bear. Oh my gosh. So sweet. And he's pretty fantastic, but that's a little too high for me. And got some blow mold. I'm not really seeing anything in here. So I did end up finding those Christ salt and pepper shakers. The last sold for $40 on eBay, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave them behind. Oh, kind of like this funny bank. It's got a little bit of damage though. What a fabulous TV lamp. $48, that's not a bad price for a collector. I've actually bought and sold that one a couple times. It was definitely a pain to ship. Look at this planter. Oh, I had this one like a year ago. I want to say it sold for decent money. $12 is definitely a good price. It's got a little bit of paint loss. I think I'm gonna pass on it today. Do have to know how much. Oh, he's broken, but whoa, wait a minute. Little candle holder, $8. And look at this thermometer. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? 12 bucks. I'm gonna pass on that, but I think I might pick this up. I've had the Santa one before. It's sold for decent money. I'm not crazy about the fact that it's a single one, but it comes to like $6 and some change. I'm gonna throw it in my basket while I walk around and maybe change my mind on it, but I have found some phenomenal salt and pepper shakers in this booth before. Love the Mice had them before. What are these guys? Brins. Those are kind of neat. And I like this plastic set too. I'm kind of picky about those these days though, because they've kind of died off a little bit. Oh, look at these. I love the graphics on those. Unfortunately, the stickers are coming off a little bit. The decals, not stickers, coming off a little bit more than I'd like. Whoa. What do we have here? How much are you? Please be in my wheelhouse of price. 38. Dang, that's actually really fair. For a collector, for resale, I can't do much with that, but I love those arrangements, and I've never seen a Holly Berry Christmas themed one. Oh, these are kind of funny. More salt and pepper shakers, like the Nodders. They're like pheasants. 22. Oh, I see something hiding in the corner over there. Oh my gosh. Dwarf Head salt and pepper shakers, 21, 20% off. I've had these ones before. I want to say they sold for a lot more than that. I'm gonna do a little homework right quick. You know what? They come to $17 after the discount, and I believe I'd be able to get at least $30 for these. I want to say the last pair I sold for $40. I can't find them in my listings for some reason, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in the basket too. Oh, love the owl coconut. Sansa plate, that's cute, but not quite. Oh man, I'm obsessed with everything that's happening here. Okay, so these are fantastic. I've had a lot like this recently. I'm gonna leave these ones for $20. That's probably pretty close to retail on that. And this one, 25. Yeah, I can't really do anything with those prices, unfortunately. This one is, wait, I'm so confused. Look for yellow marked or white, 20% off everything. Well, that doesn't really make any sense. But, this guy, this is so confusing. Is it everything or just different tags? Either way, this guy comes to $24 if he was on sale. I've bought ones like this in the past and they sold for $48, although I have one in stock that's been kind of sitting in that size for $45, so I'm gonna leave him. Oh my gosh, this little stuffed Santa Claus is so cute. $15. It's got some staining, unfortunately. Ah, the cows. How much are you? $6. Well, we just have to grab these, don't we? These usually sell pretty quick, and it's been a while since I had this set. And I like the orange. They're usually red, I think. Well, these are generally hilarious. This married couple salt and pepper shaker set. $12 is definitely a fair price for retail. I could still make a couple bucks on it, but it's not enough to make me jump on it, as I would say. I looked at that last time I was here. I kind of like this cat figurine. $9. That's not bad. Pretty close though, after fees and everything. Oh, I kind of like the dogs on the telephone. Those are fun. Love anything on the telephone. $11. Is there a discount? I don't see a discount. That's a fair price, but it's still a little bit more than I'd like to spend on those today. Another day I might do it, but not my thing today. Speaking of not my thing today, I have made up my mind. I'm gonna put this back. I'm just not that crazy about it. Call me cheap, but it all adds up. All right, what's going on over here? Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Nothing that I'm too crazy about or haven't seen before. All right, I'm back at this booth that I really like. Love that ashtray, so pretty. I already picked up the little glittery elf ornament from this booth. That is fantastic too. I did look at that last time I was here. It was a little too close for me. Kind of into that elephant trinket box too. Oh, that clock is epic. Whoa. Okay, so the other day when we were in Pittsburgh, by we, I mean me, I saw one of these. And it was Christmas themed, and I was so taken by it. But it was $200 something. Now this one is $25. I am gonna go ahead and look it up. I don't think it's worth $200 something, but I could be wrong. I'm gonna look it up anyway because I love the Art Nouveau style, and it is signed. So where it is listed for crazy prices, the average sold price is about $30 to $40. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that one behind. I also noticed this little frozen, what are they, frozen Charlottes? Frozen pennies, I can't remember, frozen Charlottes. Either way, $25 for this whole box is a really good deal, but they have a little bit too much paint loss, and there's not really one in there that screams out at me. This one's cute, but and a clown. But like I said, just not enough to justify, even though they sell pretty well. I do notice this Go Bell penguin. That's pretty fantastic. I feel like 15 is super fair too. Oh, this dog is, oh, it's got a chip. I was gonna say that's a really good price. Let's see what they got going on in here. That's very nice with the convex glass. All right, I am gonna go ahead and make my way upstairs here.